Shelf scan complete. Processors and cables logged. Inventory confirmed. Conveyor lift active. Connecting main feed to UPS 1. Check the sync. Sync confirmed. Terminals are secure. Good. Moving to battery integration. Batteries online. Load is stable at 90 server hall. Intake clusters are live. Packet streams are flowing in from all sensors and apps.
Transfer base secure, throughput is optimal. No packet loss. Keep monitoring the flows, optimize if needed. Privacy filtering strips identifiers from records. Masks and access controls are verified. Data streams move through mirrored servers into the processing nodes.
Monitors are stable. Converters are processing the mixed files. Packet flow is steady across the racks. Standardization is at 85%, approaching completion. Automated matching engines merge repeated entries, streamlining the data flow. Operators reviews. Synchronized drive arrays pulse with green lights, embodying industrial efficiency. Refining click timing now, aiming for 2.1 seconds.
Session depth is responding, up to 52%.
Good. Cadence is stabilizing, servers are syncing.
Confirmed. Processing load is balanced.
Automated models dynamically group users into evolving cohorts. Validating boundaries now. The clusters are stabilizing. Analysts confirm the boundaries in real time. Groups are optimal. Time series engines scan historical patterns, detecting trends in constant motion for optimal detection. Storage nodes exchange data, while compute modules pulse with activity.
Reviewing archive batch DL04567. Images are considered.
Copy that. Q shows 5 high-priority tasks incoming. Received. Starting review on the routed batch. Samplers are converging. Class is balanced at 95%. Throughput holding steady at 1.2 million samples per second. Racks are in unison. Prep chamber next. Automated models dynamically group users into evolving cohorts. Validating boundaries now. The clusters are stabilizing. Analysts confirm the boundaries in real time. Groups are optimal. Modular pipeline is building. Let's sync the changes.
Syncing. Automated checks are running in parallel. Great. All checks passed. Ready for the next module.
In the container build farm, isolated servers compile packages with maximum efficiency. Queue is stable at 28. Nodes are compiling at full capacity. Cooling systems ready to preventing thermal bottlenecks. Batch throughput is nominal, lights are cascading smoothly. Supervision shift complete, handing off to next lead. Cycle complete, throughput verified at 98.7%. Parameters refined, loss decreased to 0.198. Monitoring convergence. Grid is launching. Watch the flows. Throughput spiking. Racks are at 95%. Convergence looks good. Top config at 0.89. Next batch incoming. Efficiency is holding. We're seeing consistency across all segments. The overall score is still good.
Impact ratios are all within tolerance. Reports are clean.
Good. Let's generate the full report for compliance. Engineers integrate throttles and filters for enhanced safety. Servers recompile guarded models. Cables pulse with traffic. Synchronized modules show industrial efficiency in this workflow. Grid is launching. Watch the flows. Throughput spiking. Racks are at 95%. Convergence looks good. Top config at 0.89. Next batch incoming. Efficiency is holding.
Compressing payloads now.
We're shaving off 40% latency. Happening per headsets of erasing now. Throughput is climbing. Efficiency metrics are green across the board. The engine recalibrates, re-ranking content for optimal engagement.
Lift is climbing. The model is adapting well.
A seamless workflow in industrial scale analytics. Send time windows are modeled, now for frequency caps.
Agreed. Simulators are cycling scenarios at peak.
Millions pros. Optimal windows identified.
Efficiency metrics are exceeding projections.
Mirrored servers are stable. Relevance is up, but freshness lags. Streaming test queries now. Lane 2 shows a dip. Confirming on primary.
Mirrors synced. Metrics stabilizing. Efficiency is holding.
Router activity is peaking. Groups are splitting evenly. Verifying loads now. Control A and B are balanced.
All metrics green. Efficiency is optimal.
Return rate curves are stabilizing, down 0.5 points from last quarter.
Good.
Session durations dipped slightly. We need to check mobile. Perfect. Let's review the trends. The routing lanes are stable. Test traffic is flowing consistently through all funnel steps.
Good. The completion rates are updating.
We're seeing improvements that the Viactivation optitensions are working. Engines flag bot patterns and synthetic clicks. Confidence is high. Verifying case 4782 now. Pattern matches known bot behavior. Confirmed. Escalating for automated mitigation. Automated classifiers queue harmful content for review. Trained teams inspect samples with calm precision. Sealed workflows ensure a professional approach to digital safety.
This recommendation scores a 4. Strong on accuracy, but needs more on edge cases. Agreed. Flagging for detail, but approving the core. Task queue moving. Next batch incoming.
Feedback batches entering the pipelines now. Compute clusters are reserving capacity smoothly. Scheduling jobs for optimal throughput. All systems operating at peak efficiency. Initiating synchronized precision and latency benchmarks across all candidate systems.
Systems are updating in parallel.
Observe the variance in these initial scores. Yes, and the latency metrics are converging. Let's review the risk gates. Packages are in secure queues. Audits are clear, 100% compliant.
Performance thresholds are green, 99.8% uptime.
None. We're clear. Traffic slices are receiving the new system. Health signals are green. Confirmed. Rollback controls are armed and ready. Good. Keep monitoring for any anomalies.
Understood. All systems nominal.
The global rollout wave deployment expands rack by rack across regions. As routers reroute seamlessly, technicians supervise calm operations through the switching floor. Drill initiated. Monitoring primary node.
Copy. Checksums verified.
Fault confirmed. Triggering automated failover.
Failover complete. System stable.
Logging drill data. Replication to regionals is complete. Health metrics are optimal. Confirmed. Storage arrays show 100% health. Moving to spares. Spare drives en route. Efficiency is holding. Lowering fan curves to 70%. Watch the power drop. It's down 8%. Good. Now, enable the idle schedule. Excellent. Check the battery room. All clear. Backup replication night shift archives mirror to distant storage arrays, while robotic libraries swap media cartridges in rhythm. A professional workflow of industrial efficiency. Initiating full restore from backup snapshot. Syncing clocks aligned?
Racks are responding. Data streams are clean.
Good. Monitor for anomalies. Escalate if needed. Understood.
Progress at 75%.
Sealing and indexing complete. Retention controls verified. Cabinets cycling quietly, all logs are secure.
Setting audience range to 1 to 5 million. Demographics log.
Automation engine is queuing it now. Good, cluster throughput looks solid.
28 campaigns queued. Metrics are climbing.
Assembling the target groups now. Flow rates are optimal. Reviewing overlap limits, adjusting to stay under 15%. Cohort charts are flowing. Refinements are stabilizing. Spend rates adjusting automatically, holding steady.
I'll optimize the pacing now.
Confirmed. Metrics are updating smoothly. Approval confirmed. Assets passing to render. Rejection logged. Render nodes at capacity, spinning up additional clusters. Live engagement dispatch recommendations are live, processing at peak efficiency. Messages and ranked content shipping to endpoints now. Throughput is optimal. Data centers processing non-stop. Waiting outcome signals complete. Verifying calibration sample now.
Ceremony, no anomalies.
Proceeding with final adjustments for future learning.
Workflow is optimal, ready for next cycle.
Reviewing long-term trends, we see steady gains but need to accelerate.
I agree. The efficiency plateau is clear. We must prioritize upgrades.
All in favor? Approved. We'll target a 20% gain next cycle.
Obsolete servers from the legacy system are decommissioned on this efficient line. Data is wiped, then components are dismantled and sorted for recycling. Conveyors move materials to bins, ensuring zero waste.
Fresh data is returning to the research pipelines now. Initiating next generation models, the cycle begins again. Precision across every layer.